Welcome to www.esoreafrance.com. Today we have something a little different, a little video from in the mountains up above Busia and the Upper Alps on the way to Larch. Beautiful lakes below, you can see somebody down there, looks like a huge hole in the ground. Let's just check out these mountains. Approximately looking south, there's no sign of the sea. This is part of the trail called a G or 5. We'll actually quickly pan back here. See, way in the distance here, there's some military bunkers from during the war. There you go. Interesting diversion. www.esoreafrance.com. Till next time.